Hey everyone, welcome to another video. Today we are going to discuss how to fix notifications in Snapchat so you can manage them more efficiently. First, let's get a handle on setting up Snapchat notification right in the app. Tap on your profile icon in the top left corner, then go to the settings in the top right corner, find the notification section. The first things to do is make sure you have enabled notifications for Snapchat. If you want to receive certain notifications like messages or history updates, enable them here. You can customize which notifications you receive by turning them on or off. For example, if you don't want friends suggestions or birthday notifications, just turn them off. This way you can customize the notifications to you leaking. Now let's talk about how to customize Snapchat notifications in your device settings. For this, you need to go to Settings and find Snapchat and tap on it. And here you will be able to manage notifications more fully. You can allow notifications. Choose whatever to receive notifications on the lock screen and customize other notification settings according to your preferences. If you decide you don't want to receive notifications from Snapchat at all, you can simply turn them off. I hope this video helped you understand your Snapchat notification settings. Remember, it's in your power to customize notifications to suit your needs. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumb up. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And thank you for watching and see you in the next video.